Hello, welcome to another tutorial on the Rex Cube. Thank you for joining me today, and let's get started. Today we're going to learn how to rotate the center pieces where they belong, so that you're one step closer to solving the Rex Cube. Last tutorial I talked about parity. Parity means you got certain pieces in place that are not where they're supposed to be, and you cannot solve the puzzle with parity. So, like an example, the yellow center's here, red center's here, white center's here. So it's 1, 2, 3, like that. And if it's like that, you cannot solve the puzzle. See, the other ones are not in the right place. Green, blue, and orange. So we're gonna learn how to put the centers in all the right places without the parity. If you try to keep solving the Rex Cube with the parity, like you keep trying to rotate the centers to try to fix the parity, you're going to have problems and it's going to take you a long time. What you do is, if you do have the parity, what you do is just re-scramble it, and then redo the edges, like white and blue. You put that in, put this in, put all the edge corners in, solve all these corners again in top layer, and then after that you rotate the centers again until you have, like I showed, like an example, like one here, one here, one here. They have to be three like this connected together. They cannot be 1, 2, 3. So the first center, because we already have this solved, all the edges, we're looking for white. So the first piece we're going to put in is the white center. Let's look around. It's right here. So we're going to rotate this into the spot. So we have to do this move in order to get this to be here and stay here. So we do, and when you turn it, don't turn it too fast, because these pieces will pop out and they're very hard to get back in. That's happened to me before. So let's move this. We'll do a right. So this comes up here. Oop. Right, left. Then what you do is, with the same pedal here, because we did the right left, you turn it 180 degrees like this. Then you do left, right. So now you got your white center in. Okay, so I think the next one, let's look for a color that's close by. We'll do the blue, because it's right here and it goes right here. So let's see how we could do this. Maybe we'll do the blue. No, because I think it's gonna take the white piece out. So let's see, what else is there? Red, orange. Yeah, orange is right here. So here's the orange piece. It goes right here. We have the white on the bottom, and we're going to put this in right here. So we do the same move, right, left. Now rotate it this way 180 degrees, left, right. So now we got the orange and white in place. So the next one we do is you could either do blue or do green. Oh, green's already in. Oh, sometimes that will happen. Wow, that's pretty nice. Yeah, sometimes they'll just fall into place. So we got really fortunate there. Okay, so let's look at what would be a good way to install the next piece. Let's see, because we got to do a right. So maybe, let's see, red. Let's see here. We got those in. We got the yellow. Yeah, it's got to go right. So let's see, blue. We got the yellow. We got the red. Boy, we don't have too many options here because it could pull some pieces out. So maybe what we'll do is try something different. We'll do the same move and it will rotate some of the pieces so they'll fall into place. So we'll do right, left, then we turn it and we do a left, right. Okay, so we still have the orange, green, and white, and you should check that to make sure they're still in place. If they're not, then you do the same move and rotate them back into place. You got to have these three. So let's see, we got the blue on top. So that's what we want because it's going to go right here. You got to always, it can't go left. If you go left, it's going to take the pieces out of place. So you put, you got the two here that are solved, the white on the bottom solved, and the blue is going to go right. And that's what you want. You want to do right first. You got to find a piece, like whether it's red, we could do red. It goes in here, but because it's going to go right first. That's what you got to do, is have a piece on top and you do the right move. So let's do the right move. Right, left, rotate it, left, right. So that should have put in, yeah, put in all the pieces. We got the blue, yellow, red. We got those three. White, orange, and green. So that's how you rotate the centers properly so that you can move on to the next step and solve the petals, the 4 petals. So thank you for joining me for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video and enjoyed it, like and subscribe. Have a great day.